Over the past few months, we've been slowly turning our messy shed into something completely different. A space to create, reset, and finally bring our ideas to life. But it definitely didn't start out looking like this, and now it's finally starting to take shape. So now that we got all the panels up on the wall, all the way up to the peak of the ceiling, for right now, I'm going to leave the insulation that's up there. I'm going to give you a little bit of a better shot. I'm going to take it down eventually, or I'm going to cover it up. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't really seen any difference with the insulation up there in the first place. But now I'm going to move on to extending this conduit right here. That's the electrical. I only have one light in here and it's really not enough, so I'm going to extend this Romex all the way over to here, add another junction box. I ordered a couple more lights off Amazon and they should be here tomorrow or the next day, either one. But for now, I'm just going to get the box up there and get it going. So just an update, I got the electrical ran from this lamp lighter running over to this one, so I have two lights now, and now from here I'm going to split it off down the right side and then down the left side, and I'm going to install some outlets. Oh boy. Did I mess that up? think we're supposed to move the brackets down a little bit further. We'll fast forward to this part. That's better. There we go. So these walls are all painted. I got the outlets hooked up. They all work. Got the new 55-inch TV. Got the outlet over here. So since it is Florida and it's hot and humid, we came up with this idea that if we go here to the front of the shed, excuse the mess, imagine we frame in a wall from right here to there. Just imagine a wall all the way up. It secludes this side, and then the roll-up door will have its own little area where most likely we're going to put some storage and stuff like that. And I think what we're going to do is put a mini split on this side. So if you wanted to enter this side, you would have to go through this door. So its own little separated room pretty much. So a mini split on this side, so keep it hot or cold, whatever you want. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Has anybody ever put a mini split in a shed? How did it turn out? Because I'm not 100% sure if I want to spend that money if it's not going to do anything in here. But let me know.